This video covers the 7 key milestones during the delivery of your new service. When you order service from us, there are 7 key milestones along the way to getting your new service delivered and activated. The first milestone is when we contact you to confirm your location information, including where service enters the building, pricing, terms of your order, and your essential team members, including your primary customer contact, technical customer contact, and your local customer contact. We will also gather any additional details needed for your orders. In the second milestone, your technical customer contact confirms the technical details of your order in the order confirmation email, including IP address and routing information. Make sure they confirm this information within the designated time frame. The third milestone is when we send you the customer commit date email. This email includes the date we intend to deliver your service. Since each installation is unique, so are their timelines. You will be given more information about the expected date we intend to deliver service once all dependencies are determined. We will work to deliver your service as quickly as possible. The fourth milestone is completing your location preparation. If needed, your local customer contact will partner with us, and if applicable, the third-party network provider to grant access and walk them through the building during a site survey. They will need to know where the access points are. If they need assistance, your property manager or building maintenance can help. If needed, an engineer will conduct an inspection to identify any dependencies and create a plan. Based on their findings, they will inform you of any additional work that may be needed. If your location requirements are not completed or changes to the order are required at a later time, they can complicate the delivery process, causing delays and leading to additional costs. If your order requires work at more than one location, you will need an on-site local customer contact at each one. Additional network equipment may be provided as part of the overall scope of work. If needed, it will either be shipped to you directly or delivered by an engineer. Equipment may be shipped to you by someone other than us. Once received, please keep all equipment in a secure location. In the fifth milestone, your service is installed and tested. We, and if applicable, the third-party network provider will contact your local customer contact to schedule your new service's final installation and testing. The sixth milestone is when your service is activated. We will send you a connection notice email notifying you that your service is ready to use, or include a self-schedule link if a coordinated activation is needed. The seventh and final milestone is when you can begin using your service. Please remember to complete all of your network configurations and additional work identified during the site survey, since billing begins upon delivery of your new service. Congratulations! You are now on the Lumen network. Lumen Control Center is your personalized portal that helps you efficiently manage your account. Its benefits include account maintenance, such as creating and managing tickets, running diagnostics for repairs, and tracking your orders, in addition to several billing features, such as signing up for paperless billing and paying your bills online. Visit our delivery support library to view short, helpful videos and other information to maximize your service delivery experience. These keys to success will help you every step of the way. Thank you for partnering with Lumen.